Welcome back to the English Essences podcast.
Join us and learn English fast.
Can I tell you something honest? Something a little soft? Yeah. Every day when I try to speak English, my heart feels small. Not because I do not know words, but because I am scared of making mistakes. Maybe you feel this too. Maybe you stop speaking. Maybe you think, oh no, I will sound silly. You are not alone. I am here with you. Soft smile. Today, I want to talk like a friend, not like a teacher, about common English mistakes, the small ones, the daily ones, the ones we all make. I make them, even now. Yeah, and it is okay. When I wake up in the morning, I often say, I am wake up. Yeah, that is one mistake. Many beginners say this, but we feel shy, so we stop talking. I did that too. Let me explain one useful word now, very gently. The word is mistake. A mistake means you do something not perfect, not correct, like spilling tea or saying a wrong word. In life, mistakes are normal. In English, mistakes are also normal. Soft smile. When I say I am wake up, people still understand me, right? But a softer way is I wake up. You can say I wake up early, or I wake up late, or I wake up at 7. Simple. Yeah. Now, let me show you a very easy sentence. Listen slowly. I wake up early. You can change it. I wake up late. I wake up at 6. You see? Small change, same feeling. Gentle pause. Another mistake I make every day. I say, I am agree. Many people say this, because in our language it feels right. But in English, we usually say, I agree, without am. The word agree. Let me explain softly. Agree means you feel the same, you think the same. Like when your friend says, English is hard, and you feel, yes, same. You say, I agree. Slow breath. So a simple sentence is, I agree with you, or I agree, or I agree, yeah. You can say it slowly. You can smile. It feels friendly. Soft smile. Sometimes I also say, he don't like tea. Yeah, this one is very common. Even I say it when I am tired. Slow breath. But people still understand, and that is important. Understanding comes first, not perfection. Let me explain one word here. Understand. Understand means you know the meaning, you feel the idea. Like when someone speaks slowly and your heart says, oh, I get it. That is understand. Quiet pause. A soft sentence here is, he doesn't like tea. But if you say, he don't like tea, it is okay. People still feel you. Gentle smile. Now, let me show a simple pattern. He likes coffee. She likes music. He doesn't like tea. You can try one, in your head, slowly. Slow breath. Another mistake, I often say, I did a mistake. Yeah, this one is very common. But in English, we usually say, I made a mistake. The word made. Made means create, do, like making food, making a plan, or making a mistake. It is the same feeling. Soft smile. A very easy sentence is, I made a mistake, or I made a small mistake, or sorry, I made a mistake. These sentences feel calm, human, real. Gentle pause. Sometimes, when I am nervous, I say, I am boring, but I want to say, I feel bored. Yeah, this one is tricky, but do not worry. Let me explain bored. Bored means you feel tired of something, like waiting too long or listening to something not interesting. Your body feels heavy. Your mind feels slow. Quiet pause. Boring is for things, not feelings. But listen, if you say, I am boring, people may smile, but they still understand, and that is okay. Quiet laugh. A soft sentence is, I feel bored, or I am bored today, or this is boring. Very small, very gentle. Slow breath. Let me talk about another daily mistake, using too many words. Yeah, I do this. I say, please can you help me to do this work for me? Long, heavy. Soft smile. The word simple. Simple means easy, not many things, not heavy, like a clean table or a short sentence. Gentle pause. A simple sentence is, can you help me? Or please help me? Or can you help? Short sentences feel strong, calm, confident. Slow breath. Now, I want to show you how mistakes do not stop communication. Yesterday, I said, I am very interesting in English. Yeah, mistake again. The word interested. Interested means you like something. You feel curious. You want to know more, like listening to music or learning English. Soft smile. A gentle sentence is, I am interested in English, or I am interested in music, or I am very interested. Slow, easy, kind. Gentle pause. Sometimes I forget the. I say, I go to office, or I watch movie. Yeah, very common. The word office. Office is a place where people work, with desks, computers, papers. Maybe you work there. Maybe not. Soft pause. You can say, I go to the office, I watch a movie, I watch the movie. But even without the, people still understand you, and that is important. Soft smile. Now, a very easy sentence pattern. I go to the office. I go to the shop. I go to work. Listen to the flow. Slow, calm. Slow breath. Another mistake, using past and present together, like yesterday I go to market. Yeah, I say this. The word yesterday, yesterday means one day before today, not tomorrow. Gentle pause. A soft sentence is, yesterday I went to the market. But if you say, yesterday I go to market, people still feel the time because of yesterday. Slow breath. Now, let me share something from my heart. Mistakes made me quiet before. I stopped speaking. I listened only. My English stayed inside me, like a bird in a cage. Soft pause. The word confident. Confident means you feel okay. You feel safe. Even if you are not perfect, you still speak. Soft smile. A simple sentence is, I feel confident, or I want to be confident, or I am more confident now. Slow, soft, real. Slow breath. Another daily mistake, saying very much everywhere, like, I like English very much, very much. Yeah, I did that. The word enough. Enough means not too much, not too little, just okay. Like enough food, enough sleep. Soft pause. A calm sentence is, I like English, or I like English a lot. That is enough. You do not need many words. Soft smile. Sometimes I say, how you are, instead of, how are you? Very common, very human. Slow breath. The word greeting, greeting means words we use to say hello, to connect, to show care. Soft pause. Simple greetings are, how are you? How is your day? How are you doing? Say them slowly, with warmth. Gentle pause. Now, take a slow breath with me. Slow breath. You see, mistakes are part of speaking, not a wall, but a bridge. They help you move, step by step. Let me softly recap. Today, we touched words like mistake, agree, understand, bored, simple, interested, confident, enough.